The markets are rigged. They're manipulated. This is not for me. This is for rich people. This is a game. They're just playing. They're just stealing my money. And I'm here to tell you, they're kind of right. All right. Welcome to another video and welcome to my channel, The Financial Trader's Mindset. All right. So in this video, what I'm going to talk about today, bear markets and why most people are afraid of them and never build wealth. That's what we're going to talk about today. You know, it's funny because, say you go shopping, you go to the store, you look for Black Friday deals. You look for that Amazon deal, right? You look for the best pricing on a specific product that you're looking to buy. And we all try to find the lowest price. But when it comes to buying assets and investing, nobody wants low prices. It's a phenomenon that I've been trying to figure out for a long time, but as humans, for some reason, as asset prices go down,
what the heck is going on?
We don't want it. But as they're going up, we get that fear of missing out. We end up chasing the market. And you jump in because you're like, well, I'm not going to miss this train. Even though the train has been going for a long time. Just get me in at any price. And then when it comes down to the bear markets, there's a lot of fear. You see your asset going down in price. You see other people can buy that same asset for a lot cheaper than where you bought it. And you start having regret, despair, getting into a bad mood, right? This is all these things, right? This is this negativity behind falling asset prices. You just want to remove all that emotion. You want to take that out of the game. Which we can't. We can't take out all emotion, but you can control it, right? The emotion will be there, but you can follow a process that will make you more successful when it comes to investing. Now, I'm not saying you have to time the bottom. Not saying that at all. And then you most likely won't, because only very few people get the absolute bottom. If you think about it, how many people are invested into the markets? Right? And how many people can buy that very bottom, rock bottom price? The bottoms happen when sellers get exhausted and buyers start to step in. It's usually at that point when there's not a lot of sellers, not a lot of buyers. That's where you get that bottom. And that's why it's just such a very low odd type of trade or an approach to the market. You're not going to catch that bottom. Only a few people will, and they'll just get lucky. So then you're thinking, well, when do I buy? It's just all these opinions, the media, these outside sources that just are influencing your mind to make you think that this is a bad investment. It's just noise in your head. And then the opposite happens at the top. Everyone's euphoric. Everyone's telling you got to get in now. You will never see this price again. Right? You've heard it. It's like, you know what? The markets are rigged. They're manipulated. This is not for me. This is for rich people. This is a game. They're just playing. They're just stealing my money. And I'm here to tell you, they're kind of right. The markets are not fair. The people with more capital have a bigger advantage than someone that doesn't have as much capital or has very little capital to work with. And that's the thing, right? There is a disadvantage. And it's the same thing with like life, just life in general, right? There's just disadvantages. There's just disadvantages where people just get dealt a bad hand. Now, that's just not to say that you just can't get out of it, right? You have to find ways. Find ways to earn more capital so you can invest into the market, right? And build up your war chest of cash. So you want to be there and ready to buy when the markets are low. If you can't be there for the absolute disgusting lows, then you just don't deserve the highs, right? I'm not saying it to be condescending. It's just true. And it's actually true. If you're not there buying the lows, you're not going to benefit from the highs because you will have none. You got to think in that mindset. There's a saying that says, be buying when you're crying and selling when you're yelling. The mentality you need to have during the bear markets. You have to be strong and you have to persevere. They're boring. Prices are just going down. Everything you buy just goes into a loss. Everything in the red. That's the bear market. And it's designed to get most people out. That way there'll be less resistance on the way up when price moves up, and then everybody wants to buy back in. And that's how the cycle goes. And most importantly, when we're in the bear market, just buy the asset itself, like in stocks. Just buy stock and hold it. Don't trade options, right? Don't be buying options and hoping for that big run during a bear market. The fear, the fugazi.
It's a wazi, it's a woozy.
You're just buying what people think the market's going to do. An option is you buying into that. Just avoid them. Buy stock, accumulate, and just hold. Very key. And for those that like crypto, how do you invest in crypto when things are going down? Well, first of all, try to avoid the altcoins, right? Unless you're experienced in the crypto markets and you know what to look for in altcoin investments, I would stay away. I would just stick to the blue chips, Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe a couple others right up there in the top 5, top 10, and just hold and just wait. That's all you got to do. You just wait. During the bear market, you wait for that next cycle to come. There's other ways you can generate income. Like for me personally, what I do, I yield farm. I take Ethereum, I pair it with some stable coin, and I farm it, and I earn some yield on it, over time. And what earning yield does, it allows me to take my investment of Ethereum and generate yields on it. That way I can take those yields and compound it back into the crypto. So it's kind of like I'm buying crypto with my crypto. Like I'm just multiplying it and growing it. And I'm just hoping the bear market lasts just long enough for me to accumulate a large enough bag. So when the market turns and the next bull cycle will come, because it will come. If you understand human psychology, people are always looking for ways to earn money. That greed takes a hold, right? People want to invest. People want to grow their money. People want to build wealth, right? It's just part of the human psychology and the market cycles. That's how it works. And right now, I don't see anything wrong with Bitcoin and Ethereum compared to now in 2023, compared to the highs in 2021. It's still the same, has the same fundamentals. Nothing's changed with it. Looks fine to me. It's just way cheaper now. So that's how you got to think. All right. So try not to become a victim of the bear market. Don't get mauled. And I appreciate you watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.